Want to export high quality videos for YouTube and client work but don't know what are the perfect export settings for Premiere Pro? Well, I got you covered. In this video, we will talk about what are the perfect export settings for Premiere Pro. So without further delay, let's drop the intro. Before starting the video, if you guys are new here, my name is Shamrit Dhuras and I am a professional graphic designer, video editor and UI UX designer. In this channel, we talk about designing tips, tricks and tutorials. So if you are into it, then consider subscribing to my channel. So at first, you will be greeted by this welcome screen of Premiere Pro. You can simply click on this new project button and then you can set the project name and directory accordingly. Let me name this test video 1080p. And set the location to desktop. Now let's press enter. Don't mess around with the rest of the settings, otherwise it may happen that the entire timeline will be hampered. Now let me just import one of my old videos by drag and drop and it will do the rest of the work for you. After importing, it will generate the peak files for the added media. Let's wait for that process to complete, and now if you drag it into the timeline, then as you can see, the video is now imported. Now as you can see, this video is already in the 2:1 aspect ratio, but this video was originally shot in 16:9 aspect ratio. What essentially I did is that I opened up the sequence settings and then I changed the frame dimensions to 2160 by 1080p. To give that widescreen look. I also scaled the video to 113%. Here you can't see it right now because this is already an exported video. And if you want to upload your videos in 16:9 aspect ratio only, then you can simply ignore these steps. Now make sure that the timeline panel is selected. You will be able to understand that if there is this blue outline around the panel. Now just press Ctrl or Command M. Now here I will be able to show what are the best settings for YouTube 1080p. For beginners, I already created a preset for YouTube 1080p. You can also make it by selecting the preset as Match Source High Bitrate, changing the format to 8264 and then changing the output video name. Now let's name it something like video sample and let's press OK. Then just check both of these boxes, namely export video and export audio. After checking the boxes, navigate to the video tab and don't mess around with the other effects, multiplexer, captions and publish settings. Leave them as it is. Just scroll below the video tab and click this checkbox named as render at maximum depth, performance at hardware encoding. Change the bitrate encoding to VBR1 pass and select the target bitrate as 16 for 1080p videos. If you are editing a 4K video, then you can keep this target bitrate at 50. So as this is a 1080p video, I will be keeping it at 16 and we are good to go. Now navigate to the audio tab and make sure that the audio format is selected as AAC. Also audio codec as AAC. Change the sample rate to 48,000 Hz. Channels at stereo, audio quality to high, bitrate at 320 kbps and also the precedence to bitrate. And then you are good to go. Now check this box which says use maximum render quality and now you can check this use previews box as well. But I generally keep it unchecked because I don't use many previews in my project. And most importantly, you can keep all these things as a preset. Just tap on the save preset icon, name it whatever you want. I will now name it as giveaway 1080p. And then you can check these boxes, but right now it is not important, so let's press OK. And now as you can see, a preset is created known as giveaway 1080p. You can also use your custom presets downloaded from the internet by clicking this import preset button. Now as you can see, these settings are actually saved as a preset, so you don't need to mess around with these settings every time you export a project. Now just click on this preset drop down and you will be able to see your latest presets here. Now just press export and you are good to go. So guys, there you have it. These are the perfect export settings for Premiere Pro, and also I will be giving away these presets for 1080p and 4K for free. You can just check the links in the description and you are good to go. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any other suggestions in mind, then please mention them in the comment section below. I will surely check them out. Until then, stay creative and I hope to see you in my next video.